I've squared up one side of each board, set up a stop block at 35 3/4, and now I can cut all the boards to length. I'm painting the end grain over the pot like this, and then when all the boards are done, I'll bring the boards outside and burn the wax in with a propane torch. Sweet. All right, there it is. So we finished this about maybe 2 or 3 weeks ago. It's working really good. It drains really nice, as you can see. I had to do a little work around here trying to get the stone flush with the wood. I think the Sipo mahogany, I did a little research, it's called Sipo mahogany. It looks really nice right now, but it's gonna probably go gray, just like most wood goes gray outside. I attached the boards with stainless steel screws. They were really expensive too, about $22 for a box. So all in, this thing here is, I think it's about $630. So spent a little more money on this than I thought I would, but I guess that's the way it is today. Everything's just so ridiculously expensive. But the nice thing is this will do a great job of keeping the water from puddling here in the courtyard and kind of discoloring the stone. It's really nice to stand on this when you're taking a shower. I did use 1/2-inch spacers to keep the boards from, just to allow the water to drain easier. Obviously you wouldn't want to do that with a deck because you could get a heel stuck in it or something like that. But for this case, it's worked really great. And we've been using it whenever I cut the lawn, stuff like that. It's great to jump in the outdoor shower. And kind of a fun fact, I've only taken cold showers now, only cold showers for the last maybe 6 months. I'm on a Andrew Huberman kick, if you know who he is. He's all about cold plunge, cold showers, all kinds of stuff like that. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this episode. I hope you learned a few things from this project. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.